Intro to the Geologic Timescale was the first activity in the Geologic Time module, and as I mentioned in the overview to this module, many questions people asked were answered later in the Geologic Time module. But there was one question in particular that was not answered in that module. Another student answered it though. The question was, what is expected to be the next mass extinction? The reply boiled down to us, humans, and they elaborated on that very well. I'll continue that elaboration a bit. Mass extinctions have definitely recurred through time, even highlighted with red on this geologic timescale. A number of reliable sources say we're in the midst of the 6th mass extinction. Earth has again been losing a lot of biodiversity. Biodiversity is the variety of all living things and their interactions, genes, and ecosystems. Scientists find that this current loss is much like that of past mass extinctions. If we don't preserve more species, humans will have the horrible honor of being the cause of Earth's 6th mass extinction. The time frame is predicted to be about a few hundred years. The current epoch is called the Holocene, currently at the top of the time scale, and it began about 11,700 years ago after the last major ice age. A new division on the geologic time scale has been proposed for the present, the Anthropocene. Anthropo means man. It's an unofficial division so far, thus the question mark, but there is a lot of discussion about it. To have a division, you need a starting point. Some say the start of the Anthropocene was when human activity started to have a major impact on the planet's climate and ecosystems. Some put this at the beginning of the Industrial Revolution. The International Union of Geological Sciences, IUGS, which names and defines epochs, say that to have the Anthropocene named as an official new epoch, humans will need to have changed the Earth's system to the point where it's evident in rock layers. Well, we've met that requirement. When humans tested the first atomic bomb and then dropped atomic bombs on Hiroshima and Nagasaki, Japan, radioactive particles could be detected in soil samples around the world. So perhaps the official beginning could be 1945. What can I say? We really need to back off, give nature a chance, and have that 6th mass extinction delayed and not be authored any further by us, especially when it would likely include us, as we are more dependent on other species than they are on us. We saw some of nature's capabilities early in the COVID pandemic when human influence was decreased with lockdowns and slowdowns. Some really dramatic changes, positive changes in natural ecosystems resulted. I should stop here, but know that topics such as this are a larger part of another of our courses, Geology 110, Geological Hazards and the Environment. Thanks for listening.